What's up, guys? I'm the GAF Territory Manager for Dayton, Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky. We're out here with Rob O'Brien with Shamrock Restoration, a certified contractor with GAF. GAF is one of North America's biggest manufacturing for roofing shingles and flat roofs. We're standing out here with a recent install by Shamrock Restoration, and we're here to talk about a couple different shingle options for you as a homeowner. First, we'll start with HDZ. HDZ is our bread and butter shingle. One of the cool things about this shingle is it comes with immense protection. Number one, it has a nail zone that's almost 2 inches wide, which allows Rob's install crew to put it on the right way in an efficient manner. It also has a technology on the back, something called layer lock technology, where we actually mechanically fasten the two parts of the shingle together. We have the dragon tooth and the backer strip, and those two parts meet. GAF has a patented technology that wovens the shingle like a football, so there's immense performance. Because of these changes, there's a couple of different warranties that come with this shingle. Number one, because of an asphalt to asphalt sealant, we're able to actually offer a wind-proven warranty. What this is a no max wind warranty. Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner, there's no amount of wind that can uplift your roof. If so, Rob gets a hold of GAF and GAF pays for the entire roof.